Looking to save money on your power bill without doing a total home makeover? Here are 5 simple and effective things you can do right now to cut down on energy costs and make your home more efficient. Let's dive in. First thing on the list, clean the coils on your condensing unit and change the filters. Your HVAC system is probably the biggest energy user in your home. If the coils on your outside condensing unit are clogged with dirt and debris, the system has to work harder, and that means higher bills. Same goes for dirty air filters on the inside. Clean those coils once a year and change your filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on how much you run your system. It's a quick maintenance task and pays off in both energy savings and system longevity. If this seems like too big of a task for you, don't worry, we got you covered. Click the link right here and we have a step-by-step video that you can follow along with, and it'll show you how to clean your coils and change your air filters. Second on the list, install a temperature-controlled attic exhaust fan. Sounds like a lot, it's really not. Attics can get 130 degrees or more in the summer, and that heat radiates down into your living space. A temperature-controlled attic fan kicks on whenever the attic gets too hot and pulls the heat out, helping your air conditioner work less. This can dramatically reduce cooling costs, especially in the hottest summer months. Every attic has power in it. Every attic has a light, a switch, an outlet, or something that you can use to power the fan. Don't worry, if that seems like too much for you, we got you covered. Click the link right here. There'll be a step-by-step video on how to install an attic exhaust fan. All right, next on the list, weather strip your doors and windows. If your doors and windows have gaps, you're losing cool air in the summer and warm air in the winter. Weather stripping is cheap, fast to install, and super effective at sealing up those drafts. It keeps conditioned air inside and unconditioned air out, saving you money year-round. There's multiple types of weather stripping, and lucky for you, we made a video right here showing different types, different styles, and how to install them in different applications. Next on the list, insulate your attic stairs and hatch. Most people forget about this one, but it's very important. Your attic stairs or hatch is basically a big opening into the hottest or coldest part of your home. Without insulation, air seeps right through it into the conditioned space below. Installing a stair cover or hatch insulation kit is an easy weekend project and helps regulate indoor temperatures and lowers your HVAC usage. This is a simple one you can do. Anybody can do it. But just in case you need help, we created a video that you can click on right here, follow along step by step on how to insulate your attic steps or your attic hatch. Lastly on our list, installing a ceiling fan. Sounds simple, most people already have them, but on top of installing a ceiling fan, it's important that you have the fan set to the correct direction. In the summertime, you want your fan running counterclockwise to push air down and create a nice cool breeze. In the wintertime, you want it running clockwise, drawing the warm air up and circulating it gently throughout the room so that it feels warmer than it actually is. This doesn't actually heat the room or cool the room. What it allows you to do is to adjust your temperature down or up to save on energy costs, but still maintain the climate that you wish to have. If you've never installed a ceiling fan before and it seems like something you just don't think you can do, don't worry, we have you covered. Click the link on this video right here. There'll be a step-by-step guide on installing a ceiling fan and setting it to the correct setting. There you have it, guys. 5 smart ways you can save money year-round on your power bill. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow for more tips to save energy, money, and stress at home. Thanks for watching. This is another video by Your Home Made Easy.